you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm so excited because we are unboxing a brand new subscription, and this is called bellaskinbox. So this is what the box looks like. I first saw this box on Instagram and it instantly caught my eye. So like I said, this is the first box for BellaBox, I believe. This comes from the US and it is a skincare box like the name implies. So this box costs $35 a month plus free shipping. They were kind enough to provide me a code, so I will leave that here on the screen and down below, and that code will get you $5 off your first box. And in this box you get skincare items, and you also get a beauty tool as well. And while you will get a lot of products for your face, you can get skincare from your head to your toe. So if you've been following my channel, you know I love skincare. I am really committed to my skincare routine. I fell off it for a few days and then ended up with some breakouts, so I'm sticking to it, and I'm always looking for new products. And I love that this box is 100% cruelty free. If you guys didn't know, I'm currently transitioning my entire collection to being cruelty free, so I'm not taking in new products that aren't cruelty free, and I'm trying to use up or pass on items that aren't. So getting a box like this, knowing that it's 100% cruelty free, I find just amazing, and I think you guys will too. So I think that's enough background information. Let's get this box open and see what's in the Bella skincare box for January. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. And let's read this first. It says, "Welcome to Bella Skincare Box, but first skincare." That's so true. I like that they're saying but first skincare, because that really is the first step to like flawless makeup, and I think that's becoming more well known. Like skincare channels are blowing up here on YouTube. On the back of this, it tells you the items inside. I forgot to mention one thing. The value of the box will always be between $100 and $150, so I think that's great value for paying $35. And it says here on the bottom that the Bella Skin Box value for January is $124. I love that they give a list of the items, a little description, and the pricing, so I'll just put this right here so we can read it, a reference throughout the unboxing. And then we have a piece of here that I'm guessing goes with one of the items in here. It's by Me Time Botanicals Simply Natural, and it talks about why me time is so important. Me time is very important. You gotta make sure you make some time for you. I know a lot of people out there are busy, especially you moms. And then in the back it gives you some top 10 me time tips. I'll just read like 2 of them to you. It says, for one, spend 15 minutes in silence or meditate. It's a great time for mindful self-discovery. 2, pour a cup of hot tea, coffee, or a glass of wine. Take in each sip knowing this is just for you. So I think this is great. I'm totally going to read through these all. I'm really trying to practice self-care more. One of my many resolutions for 2020. Self-care is so important, so I think that it's so sweet that they included this in the box. And then all of the items, look how nicely wrapped they are. So let's start with this big item I see here. So this must be the beauty tool for the month. So this is by Pure Soul. It says, "Let It Roll Microneedle Derma Roller." It plumps and firms. It's made with 540 stainless steel microneedles at 0.25 millimeters. Ooh, I'm excited to use this. I had a derma roller in the past, but I think it like went through its expiration, like I needed to change it, so I am totally happy to get this. There is like a seal around it, so let me get this out and we can look at it. So I like how on the box it does tell you how to roll it. It says, "Sterilize your roller by submerging in rubbing alcohol before and after use. Cleanse, exfoliate, and dry your skin. Using mild pressure, gently roll back and forth in the desired areas 4 to 5 times in all directions, vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. And then you can gently apply your facial oil or serum after use, and use once a week or as needed. And in these, you're supposed to replace every 1 to 2 months. And this has a cost of $19. So let's look at it. So something comes inside that tells you more about it. And the microdermal is in a case, which is extra great, so you can store it in here. Let me get it out of the outer packaging. Yep, so it comes in this case that you can keep it in between usage. I love having like some rituals that are like once a week, so you can like do this like every Tuesday, every Wednesday. So this is what it looks like. You can see those little micro needles there, and it doesn't hurt. You might get some redness after using it. I did for myself, but the benefits are huge. Let's see what it says on here. It says the Derma Roller helps create the appearance of healthier, smoother, and glowing skin. Derma Roller allows your products to better penetrate deeper into your skin. Essentially, it is creating little tiny prints in your skin that create micro injuries that prompt your body to send collagen to the epidermis. This is called collagen induction therapy. This will leave you with smoother, plumper, firmer looking skin. I really did see results when I used one like a year ago, so I'm so happy to have another one. This is awesome. So far, so good. Let's move on to the next item. This is by Dirty Lamb. Oh, and there's a little picture of a lamb on it. It's Ultra Night Serum. It's supposed to hydrate and protect. And this is 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. So this is like the standard size for serum. And on here it says, our high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep skin hydrated throughout the night. Wheat germ oil is nature's powerhouse of vitamin E that will bring liveliness to your skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender. So you're supposed to apply 2 to 3 drops before bed. You put it in your hand, warm it up a little bit, and then pat it in. You can use it on your face and your neck. I always do my skincare from top to, like, down to like my boobs almost. I heard a dermatologist or someone say like you should do it from like your head to above your nipples. That's pretty much what I do. I do my whole chest because a lot of times your neck and your chest can be the first to show signs of aging. And this has a little dropper here. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand to see how it feels. It feels very nice. After I do this, I always like to compare my hands. Like you can tell one has, you know, like a treatment on it compared to the other. It has pretty much no fragrance, like just a slight fragrance. It just smells like skincare. So let's see what it says on here about this. I'll totally start using this tonight. So the Ultra Night Serum, wow, this is $52. That's crazy. That's cool. I'm looking at the ingredients right now. It's just pretty much a bunch of oils. It even has some hemp seed in here. So $52, this is more than the box. Skincare can be expensive. That's why I love getting it in subscriptions, because then it's a much more affordable way to try them out. This will last a while too, because you just need 2 to 3 drops. But it says, high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep your skin hydrated throughout the night. Wheat germ oil is nature's powerhouse of vitamin E that will bring liveliness to your night skin. Okay, so we read about that on the back. So awesome, I'll totally start using this. Because I do use several serums in the morning, but I only use like 1 or 2 at night, so I'll totally add this in and let you guys know. We have another item here from Dirty Lamb. This is Lip Rocks. It says natural, vegan, cruelty-free, unisex. So I'm guessing this is like a lip scrub. So there is a safety seal. Yep, it looks like one. It smells like peppermint too, I bet it is. My current one I was using, well, I shouldn't say current, but I had one that was peppermint. I accidentally left it open and it kind of dried up. So the Dirty Lamb Lip Rocks, this is $12. It says, banish dry, flaky skin, revealing your smoothest, supple lips yet. Your lips will tingle with peppermint, and seconds later you will reveal a plump, smooth pout. Use 3 times a week or as needed. I can't wait to use this. So what I do with lip scrubs, I keep them in the shower, and I only exfoliate my face like physically like 2 times a week usually. So that's usually when I will use my lip scrub as well. There's 2 more items in here. Next up, it says Cuticle Candy, natural cuticle oil. This is 1 ounce. And it is in the scent Vanilla Rocks. Nice. I was just watching, I think it was Jessica Braun, like one of her New Year's resolutions is to use cuticle oil more often, and I totally need to. I need a manicure, but like my cuticles are looking a little rough this time of year, so I might have that as now one of my resolutions now that I have this. So the Candy Skincare Cuticle Candy Oil with Fragrance, this is $16. It says this is a great cuticle oil for this time of year. The oils in this product are Simoncia Chinesen seed oil, tocopherol acetate, and fragrance oil. This is huge for cuticle oil too. This will last a long time. It smells good. It does smell like vanilla, and again, this is a little dropper formula, so you can just put this on your cuticles. I'll probably leave this in bed and do it then. I think that'd be a good reminder, because I put moisturizer by my bed on my bedside stand too, so I remember to moisturize at night. So now that'll be part of my routine. How exciting. And our last item is in some bubble wrap here. Let's get this open. Oh, so this is by the Me Too Botanicals company that had that like nice little me time list that came in the box. So this is the Me Time Botanicals Morning Perk. It's 100% natural, caffeine and blueberry seed eye and facial serum. Oh, I love that you can use it both on your eyes and your face. So it says, apply serum under eyes and face each morning and night. Rejuvenate and deep health with vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, and caffeine. I'm super excited to try this out. And it says in here, organic, fair trade, all of that good stuff. This is $25. I suffer from puffiness. I say this often. I'm still trying to find items that work the best for me. So I think this is like a roll-on. Let's see what it looks like. It has some a safety seal wrap around it. I love like products that can be used in multiple places. I've read that before, that a lot of facial products can be used on your eyes, but it's nice knowing for sure that it's safe. And yep, it is a roller ball. So, ooh, I bet that feels cooling under, oh my god, it does have a little cool effect. So under your eyes, that would probably even be additional help for puffiness. And I can't really smell anything at all. So $25, lightweight yet deeply moisturizing serum and facial oil, and one to immediately deliver a dewy and brightened complexion, helps eliminate under-eye puffiness and inflammation while brightening dark circles. It softens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles as well. Awesome, you guys. I think this was such a good box for their very first box too. So we got a beauty tool. We got the Derma Blend roller. I said Derma Blend roller. It's a Derma roller. Super excited because I've used this in the past and I'm glad to have another one. We have some cuticle oil, which I'll definitely use, a lip scrub, and we have our Ultra Night Serum that's supposed to hydrate and protect, and our morning perks, so our eye and facial serums. I love how we have something for the morning and at night, 2 serums, and a lip scrub, and a cuticle oil. I think this is like the stuff that they include in here is great for this time of year. We definitely need more hydration at night, and because our face is drier, as well as our hands and our nails and our lips. So yeah, have you guys tried the derma rollers before? I'd love to hear your experience and see how it worked for you. I have some fine lines on my forehead, so I am ready to get started using that and see if it improved. Maybe I'll do like a before and after. But yeah, I think this box was really freaking good for $35. Again, you can use my code. It's not an affiliate code, it's just for you guys. Save $5 off your first box, so it would be $30 with free shipping. So definitely take advantage of that if you're interested. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!